So here we are at Jade's house. Hey, Jade. She's getting ready to go on a ride down to Modjeska. She's saying farewell to her family now. I already met her. She's very sweet, very loving, very playful, real friendly with me. She loves the fact that I smell like Great Danes, you know, so she's ready to go for her ride. You're ready to go for your ride, huh, baby girl? Yeah, good girl. You know we're going for a ride, don't you? Yeah. She loves going to the park and playing with other dogs. So she's going to be...
She's nice with the smaller animals?
She's nice with small animals. Here she is looking into the guinea pig's pen. And the baby. Yeah, you hear those guinea pigs, don't you? You sure do.
Nope.
No guinea pigs.
No.
You're too big for the guinea pigs. It's just their curiosity. They don't intend to harm anything. No. They just want to smell it, that's all. You're going to say, give the baby a kiss? You're giving the baby a kiss? You can come and say hello to me? Yeah, give everybody a hug.
Baby. This is my another baby downstairs. That's my baby upstairs. My
Her gardening buddy.
This is my buddy, and if you're very protective.
Oh yeah, nobody's coming in here.
I want her first.
With her living here.
Oh, she's always with me.
That's why I live with Great Danes. I don't worry if my doors are open or anything else.
Oh, dapat because I have to buy the food for, you know, the vegetables for fertilizer. Later on, she will help. She will be there watching me.
Oh, I'm sure.
Anywhere I go, maybe somebody
Okay, so this is Jade's farewell video with her family. We're going to get into the car and head down to Modjeska Ranch Rescue in Orange County. That's a couple of hours away without traffic, so I'm not sure when we will arrive, but we are.
Oh, let me get my key.
We're heading out now. Yes, hi, sweetheart.
Hey, are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh, let me put her inside.
Yeah, hair. I have the hair for the baby.
Yeah. Here she is getting into her ride, and she can smell all the other dogs there. So she's quite comfortable going for a ride in my car.
There you go.
Yeah, you smell all the smells, huh? All those doggy smells? It's like a zoo in there, huh? And there have been 2 dogs in there this morning already. I'm going to put a necklace on her in a second. She's just smelling everything. She's fine.